In today's episode, let's talk about prosperity. True prosperity lies in being able to supply our mental and spiritual needs, as well as the physical. There is, however, a big difference between the things you need and the things you want. True prosperity means to have at your own command and the things that are necessary for your existence. Unfortunately, very few people understand what is truly necessary. Very few people know the real meaning of needs. If your needs are boiled down to the certain specific things, then the need can be easily satisfied. It is important to understand the true most purpose of life. Most people spend their life entire lives and energy trying to make money. Some who are successful often die of heart of failure just when they are close to securing happiness. If you have a lot of wealth but also not of difficulties with everyone, you have very little. The entire purpose of life becomes futile when happiness includes you. Money is not a course. It is a manner in which you use money that is important. If you take $1, knowledge of how a person becomes prosperous is important. True prosperity comes by increasing your mental efficiency, which will enable to supply the things you need. If you know how to withdraw your attention from all the objects of distraction and place it upon one object of concentration, you will know how to attract what you need. When you are able to find the answer to everything within yourself, you will never be able to say I am prosperous. You will always be able to say I am prosperous. At last, I would like to thank all of you for listening me with patience. Thank you and namaste.